Danny, first time here. A little bit nervous about the neck, so let's see how this goes, huh? Just trust me. Let it fall in my hands here. I'll be nice. Let it fall.
Oh God!
You hear that one, Demon?
Yes, I did.
Got some good cracks.
Oh gosh!
That was.
It was like, I think I heard 2 of them.
Yeah, that was more than that. That was good. I'll be nice on this. Let it fall in my hand. Wait it.
Oh my God!
Yeah. Did you say you weren't gonna scream? See, the first ones are always the best. Catches you off guard. Boom.
So good.
But it didn't hurt, right?
No.
Feels-
Wow, I can't believe I let you do my
I
neck.
know, that was trust.
Like, I've never.
Relax, just gotta let it wobble.
Oh!
That was deep. Oh yeah.